I don't know what to say, really. 3 minutes to the biggest game of our professional lives. All comes down to today. Now, either we heal as a team or we will crumble. Inch by inch, play by play, till we're finished. We're in hell right now, gentlemen. Believe me, man. We can stay here and get the shit kicked out of us, or we can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell. 1 inch at a time. Now, I can't do it for you. I'm too old. I look around, I see these young faces, and I think, I made every wrong choice a middle-aged man can make. Pissed away all my money, believe it or not. Chased off anyone who's ever loved me. And lately, I can't even stand the face I see in the mirror. You know, when you get old in life, things get taken from you. I mean, that's part of life. But you only learn that when you start losing stuff. You find out life's this game of inches. And so is football. Because in either game, life or football, the margin for error is so small. I mean, 1/2 step too late or too early, you don't quite make it. 1/2 second too slow or too fast, you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. They're in every break of the game, every second, every minute. On this team, we fight for that inch. On this team, we tear ourselves and everyone else around us to pieces for that inch. We claw with our fingernails for that inch. Because we know when we add up all those inches, that's going to make the fucking difference between winning and losing. Between living and dying. I tell you this, guys, in any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die who's going to win that inch. And I know if I'm going to have any life, because I'm still willing to fight and die for that inch. Because that's what living is. The 6 inches in front of your face. Now, I can't make you do it. You got to look at the guy next to you. Look into his eyes. Now, I think you're going to see a guy who will go that inch with you. You're going to see a guy who will sacrifice himself for this team because he knows when it comes down to it, you will do the same for him. That's a team, gentlemen. Now, either we heal now as a team, or we will die as individuals. That's football, guys. That's all it is. Now, what are you gonna do?